Welcome to Eat So What. Let's make the best ever Paneer Masala sandwich today. Juicy Paneer Masala on the inside with grilled bread on the out. So this one is surely a treat. Try it and you'll love every bit of this. Let's get started, guys.
And I think it's as dark as it is light. And this painted picture of a room inside my mind is where I go to rest, rewind and hide. It's got walls and it's got windows and the sun touches the ceiling. It's got blue creeks and willows and I pretend that I'm healing in this room. In this room inside my mind. Box of colors in this room inside my mind. Well, they all blend and not one color fights. So I take all these colors in this room inside my mind and make rainbows as tall as they are wide. In these walls and in these windows where the sun touches the ceiling, I'm on blue creeks and willows. I paint people finding healing in this room. In this room inside my mind. Grows. Someday I hope everybody knows that in these walls and in these windows where the sun touches the ceiling, among blue creeks and willows, there are people finding healing in this room. This room inside my mind. In this room inside my mind. In this room inside my mind. Picture grows. In this room inside my mind. In this room inside my mind.
The stars burn brighter over here. I think the moon looks close enough to touch. I think the birds sing louder and the grass looks greener and the world ain't spinning fast enough. It's like a cosmic garden by the sea. It's like a castle built in Mexico. It's no Shangri-La and Nirvana, a divine Americana when you play that scratchy rock and roll.